You're sitting in front of your computer, about to start building something revolutionary with Bolt.new and Replit Agent. The screen comes alive with a video feed from Chinese Unitree's latest robotics showcase. A sleek robot is executing fluid kung fu kicks, its movements precise and dynamic. But as you watch, the handler's face turns grim. The robot starts to malfunction, its steps become jerky, and it suddenly swings wildly out of control. Handlers rush in, their faces a mix of fear and determination. They gently but firmly guide the robot back into place, ending up on its side, its gears still grinding. This isn't just any demo. This is a stark reminder that even with the best intentions, AI can go haywire. This changes everything about building custom apps with AI. What if your app's component, a key function, starts to misbehave in unpredictable ways? How do you ensure safety when something as complex and dynamic as an AI-powered application could suddenly malfunction? But here's the part nobody saw coming. What happens when that malfunctions isn't just a video game or a robot show? What if it's your own code? You've decided to take on a major challenge, creating a custom AI-powered app using Bolt.new and Replit Agent. The excitement is palpable as you sit down at your desk, the familiar hum of your computer whirring in the background. You launch the Replit Agent interface, watching as the various tools and libraries load. With each click, you feel the power of AI within your grasp. But as you dive into the code, a nagging thought keeps creeping back. What if something goes wrong? Remember those headlines about rogue robots making kung fu kicks and decapitating others? The recent warnings from Elon Musk that humans won't be in control of AI in just 10 years add an even stronger layer of urgency to your project. The safety and ethics of your app are now at the forefront of your mind. You can't let one misstep jeopardize not only your work, but also the future implications for AI technology. You decide to implement a robust fail-safe mechanism, ensuring that any anomaly triggers immediate manual intervention or automatic shutdown. But as you type out the code, a question looms over every line. Have you truly considered all possible scenarios? What if the safety protocols aren't enough? Can you really predict and prevent every potential threat? As you continue coding your custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and Replit Agent, a sense of unease settles in. It's hard to ignore Elon Musk's chilling warning that humans will no longer be in control of AI in 10 years. What does this mean for the future of your app and the world at large? You pause, scrolling through the code on your screen. The lines are simple, just a few functions calling out to Bolt.new and Replit Agent. But what lurks beneath those lines is something far more complex. You can almost hear the robo-clank from Unitree's latest Kung Fu Kicks robot as it malfunctions, causing handlers to intervene. The app you're building might seem harmless now, but in a world where AI could soon be beyond human control, every line of code potentially carries weight. You think back to that video you watched just the other day, a Chinese robot decapitating another one in public. The footage is grainy, but the implications are clear. Even autonomous systems designed for benign tasks can turn deadly. You wonder if your app might have unintended consequences. Could it interact with other AI in ways you never anticipated? Musk's words echo in your mind. Humans will no longer be in control in 10 years. 10 years is a blink of an eye in the grand scheme of things. But what happens when a piece of software you wrote starts making decisions that impact real lives? The thought makes your stomach twist. But there's a catch. You've read the research. You know about the safeguards and ethical frameworks being developed to keep AI under control. Bolt.new is designed with these in mind. It's supposed to be safer, more transparent than other platforms. But even with those assurances, you can't shake that nagging doubt. What if your app somehow slips through the cracks? You decide to take a break, stepping away from your desk for a moment. You look out the window at the bustling city outside. People walking past, oblivious to the intricate web of code and algorithms that could soon be shaping their lives in ways you can't yet comprehend. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. The potential benefits of custom AI apps, like the one you're building, could outweigh the risks. What if your app could revolutionize industries and improve lives, all while being safe and ethical? You're sitting in front of your laptop, hands poised over Bolt.new and Replit Agent, two tools that hold the key to creating a custom AI-powered app. The world is fraught with stories of rogue robots and decapitations. But here's the thing. What if you didn't just build an app? You built something that could change the game for good? Imagine this. Your app helps doctors diagnose diseases faster than ever before. It streamlines supply chain logistics in a way that prevents shortages. Or it assists farmers in predicting weather patterns more accurately, ensuring they can protect their crops and feed millions. But here's the kicker. What if these benefits come with built-in safeguards? What if you design your app with ethical considerations from day one? You're not just programming functions. You're writing a future where technology works for humanity, not against it. And let's be real. The tools at your disposal are powerful. Bolt.new offers a robust platform that lets you integrate various AI features seamlessly. Replit Agent provides a layer of safety and control, ensuring that any AI behavior remains within ethical parameters. You have the power to shape this future, but only if you embrace both the potential and the responsibility. So don't just build an app, build something that could change everything. Because in a world where AI might seem like its own uncontrollable force, your custom AI app stands as a reminder of what we can achieve when we wield technology with purpose and integrity. You're sitting in seat 23A when a headline flashes across your screen. Chinese robot decapitates another in public. You freeze, the reality of what you're building suddenly feeling weighty. The app you've been working on with Bolt.new and Replit Agent, designed to automate simple tasks. Does it make you part of this growing chorus of ethical concerns? The incident in public, where one robot took another's head off, isn't just a story. It's a stark reminder that the line between innovative tech and potential disaster is perilously thin. Elon Musk's warning about humans no longer being in control of AI isn't just speculation. It's a challenge you'll have to face. Safety first. You can't just build an app without considering its implications. Bolt.new's documentation mentions robust fail-safes. But are they enough? Replit Agent promises easy integration and advanced programming capabilities. But who bears the responsibility if something goes wrong? In an interview with Dr. Mei Lin, a prominent AI ethicist, she stresses, the moment you give machines autonomy, you must also ensure there's a fail-safe, a backup plan, if anything goes awry. Her words hang in the air as you think through your app's design. You can't afford to overlook the potential for harm. The stakes are high, and every line of code matters. You need to build safeguards into the core architecture, not just at the margins. But how do you do that? Bolt.new's technology is powerful, but it comes with risks. A misstep could lead to something far more serious than a malfunctioning robot. The incident in Beijing isn't just a warning. It's a wake-up call. You must ensure your app doesn't become another headline. The question now is, can you design an AI system that not only works, but also prioritizes safety and responsibility? Because the choice isn't just about building something cool. It's about safeguarding humanity. You've just completed your custom AI-powered app using Bolt.new and Replit Agent. You sit back in triumph, admiring the seamless integration of your code. But as you gaze out the window, the weight of what you've accomplished hits you. The future of AI isn't just a distant concept. It's something you're directly shaping with each line of code. You realize that every choice you make when building these systems matters. Your app could be used to improve lives, streamline processes, or even revolutionize industries. But the recent headlines about rogue robots and decapitated counterparts are stark reminders that AI isn't just a tool. It's a force that can go awry if not handled responsibly. Elon Musk's words echo in your mind. Humans will no longer be in control in 10 years. The clock is ticking, and you're one of the few who gets to decide whether or how we transition into this new era. Will you be part of the solution, or will you contribute to the problem? The stakes are high. Your app could pave the way for safer and more ethical AI systems, or it could become just another example of how we failed to anticipate potential dangers. The world is watching, waiting to see what decisions you make.